Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of this tutorial series wherein we'll be learning Java along with the DSA. So myself Aniket, I'll be your instructor throughout this course where we'll be learning Java programming language starting from the basics to the core Java concepts, and along after that we will dive deep into the data structures and algorithms using, and we will try to implement that using Java programming language. So first of all, starting with the introduction, you would ask me to which person can take this course. So I would say anyone who wants to learn the Java programming language right from the beginning till the advanced data structures can take this course. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the installation part, which softwares are required you to run the Java program inside your PC. So start let's get started. Open your Chrome and head over to the Chrome and just type download JDK and search. You'll be seeing first link which is of your Oracle one, and just go there, and according to your OS, whether you are using Mac OS, Linux or Windows, just to choose your Windows OS, and according to your installer, just click on this and this will get downloaded in your system. I've already downloaded it, so I don't download it again, or I will pause it. Okay, and the next thing you will require is IDE. So what is IDE? Basically, IDE is an environment where you code your Java programs. And basically, what is the difference between an IDE and Notepad? You can also code in the Notepad, but the better way of using the IDE is you can get auto suggestion of those code snippets, and there's auto indentation is there inside the IDE. So I suggest one of the best IDE to code the Java programs is IntelliJ IDEA. So you just go into your browser and type download IntelliJ IDEA. So first link comes of JetBrains, who are the developer of this IDE. Go there and click on this community edition, because don't download the ultimate edition, you will be charged after the 30 days free trial. So we want the free trial. So go here and download the exe file or zip file, whatever you want. I suggest to download exe file. Click on the download, and uh, after 2 to 3 seconds your download will get started. I have also downloaded this files, so I don't download it again. Okay, after downloading this file, you just go there inside the downloads folder and click on the JDK file. Double click on it. It will ask for the permission. Click yes. Okay, click next. Then keep the path as default. Okay, so wait here. The JDK will get installed in your PC. Simultaneously, I will also install a IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, wait, allow here. So it was saying the current IntelliJ Community Edition is already installed. So I have already installed it. So you just follow all the steps, which just you need to click next, 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 and IntelliJ IDEA will get installed in your PC. Okay. So here you can see my JDK is also get down installed in my PC. Just close here, and you need to go to the path which you have given at the time of the JDK installation. So here I given the path. Inside my Java folder I have JDK file, and you just go inside the bin folder and just click here and copy the path. I'm again repeating, just go to that path where you have installed the JDK, and inside the JDK folder you have bin folder. Just click here and copy this path, and go to your start and type edit, and you will be seeing edit the system variables here. Just click on it and click here edit environment, and inside the user variable for the user, just go here and click on the path and click edit, and you will be seeing here new button. Click on this and just paste that path and click enter. Okay, and click okay, and again okay, and okay. So till now you have successfully installed all the softwares which are required you to run the Java programs inside your PC. Okay, to test it out, whether all this installation part is get successfully installed, just press the Windows R button on your keyboard and type cmd here and enter, and just type java minus minus version, and after hitting enter you will be seeing the current Java version which is installed in your PC, and JDK version which is also installed in your PC. Okay, so till now we have seen the introduction and installation part which are required for you to run a Java program inside your PC. Okay, so after that you have also, I am assuming that you have also installed IntelliJ IDEA in your PC. Just click here, uh, open your IDE. It will take some time according to the system configuration of your laptop or PC. Okay, just wait here. I'll be seeing just okay. Wait. Okay, name the project whichever you want. I will be giving hello, and I will be clicking on the next. Okay, after creating a new project inside IntelliJ IDEA, this window get pop up, and inside source you can see the main file is there. Okay, so this is the basic code that IntelliJ IDEA will provide you. Okay, and after inside this you can code whatever you want in Java programming language. So till now I hope all of you have installed all the required softwares, and till now you are reach at this point where you will be starting to code inside IDE. So one more thing is there. I'll be planning to give you some extra questions, coding questions. Like for example, I'll be covering variables and data types, and then again in the next video, I'll be giving you the problems on some coding questions uh, regarding that concepts which I have taught you in the previous videos. So I expect you to answer those questions inside comment box of that video, and I'll be reviewing your comments in the upcoming videos, and we'll be talking some which solutions is best, which solution is wrong. So I'll be thinking like that. So I hope you enjoy this video and install all the softwares which are required for you to run the Java programs. So I'm happy to see you in the next video. So see you there, where in next video we'll be starting the actual coding part of the Java programming language. Thank you.